Are you looking for a chance to earn free crypto? Don't miss this hot event from KuCoin and Moonveil. More, with a total prize pool of up to 3,000 USDC. This is one of the most exciting airdrops right now, open to the entire crypto community. By simply joining the event, you'll have a chance to be one of 100 lucky winners to receive valuable rewards. With blockchain gaming on the rise and the dollar more token gaining attention, KuCoin is teaming up to launch this campaign, designed to boost community engagement, exploration, and reward distribution. And the best part? This is a completely free airdrop. Anyone can participate with ease. No investment needed, no complicated steps. Just act fast and join on time. This is a great opportunity for you to explore a promising project and get rewarded in USDC, one of the most popular stablecoins in the crypto world. Stay tuned so you don't miss any important updates. Good luck, and may you be one of the lucky winners in this KuCoin x Moonveil airdrop. Step 1. Open your browser and visit the KuCoin x Moonveil airdrop page. Here, the first task is to follow @KuCoin.com on Platform X, formerly Twitter. Click the Follow button, then return to the airdrop page and check the confirmation box to complete this task. Step 2. Next, follow us at Moonveil Studio, also on X. Just like Step 1, simply hit Follow. Go back to the airdrop page and mark the task as completed. Step 3. This is a crucial step. You need to retweet the official post mouse about the event, but not just a regular retweet. You must, quote, tweet for us with the following message: trade more on hard KuCoin. In that tweet, you must also tag 3 of your friends. After posting your tweet, copy the tweet link by clicking on the 3-dot icon and selecting Copy Link to Post. Return to the airdrop form and paste your tweet link into the designated field. Step 4. The final step is to submit your KuCoin UID. To find your UID, log into the KuCoin app and go to the Account B section. Your UID will appear right below your username. If you're using a browser, go to your profile page after logging in. The UID will be displayed in the top right corner. Copy that UID and paste it into the Submit UID field on the airdrop form. Once all 4 tasks show green check marks, you're officially registered and eligible to join the airdrop campaign. If you don't have a KuCoin account yet, make sure to register now using the link in the video description. Creating an account takes less than a minute, and once you sign up, your KuCoin UID will be displayed right in your profile. Just copy that UID and paste it into the form, and you'll have completed the final step to join the airdrop. Register quickly via the link in the description. Support the channel and don't miss your chance to win rewards. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. I hope this guide helped you easily join the airdrop and gave you a better chance to earn free rewards from KuCoin and Moonveil. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like to support me in creating more valuable content. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos on airdrops, retroactive rewards, and early earning opportunities in the crypto world. I always keep you updated with the latest events, along with clear and simple step-by-step instructions, so even beginners can join with ease. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to reply as soon as possible. Once again, thank you so much. Wishing you lots of luck in the upcoming airdrops. See you in the next video.